This is kind of what inspired the app to begin with. I started as a content management system. The overwhelming amount of media.
Yeah, what do you do with
Capturing simple. I mean, it's happening. Production is complicated.
Right.
It comes down to editing, reframe it in 4K. So you just pick this frame, and then it'll be in 4K.
And you do all your editing just
All.
that could be a bit of an arduous task sometimes.
It's daunting, to say the least. I'm addicted to it. Today was a hard day to dress for.
Yeah. So I wanted to wear a jacket, like a suit jacket. So then I was like, well, I got to wear a coat because I'm going to be cold and I can't wear both. And so now I don't have a jacket.
I don't know where we're going. What a beautiful day it is. Sweet. I feel like I'm getting to know this city. I look around at places like friends. What I'm trying to do is empower people with new ways and tools to create immersive content.
I thought you were fishing.
Nobody's ever said that. People think it's like a microphone or it's not a fishing pole, but simple.
That's what's inside.
Where are you from? Hopkins. Mike. Nice to meet you. I love it in New York. There's no place like coming here to exude passion and get inspiration. What is it? I started a software company for immersive content creation. And the technology that we've created transforms that two-dimensional landscape into something that's more three-dimensional, diversified. And I think that's where things are heading. Is it to a more mixed reality states existed? Well, I mean, I'll show you what a Spherio is. Actually, this is a great time to tag one. You want to hold this for a second? We're on the water. We're on the water. I met my friend here. He's originally from Belgium. He thought this camera was a fishing pole. As the founder of the company, I like to record every time I tag one of these. Whatever you want it. You know what time it is. But now I'm going to open this in AR. So then now I can act as a discovery portal for other Columbia University events and programs and admissions and everything like that. So it's light wave windy, as you can see from the flag in the background. So I'm ducking down, approaching the Statue of Liberty. You know what time it is?
Space where innovation, collaboration, and celebration intersect.
We're really getting out. I think we're going under the Brooklyn Bridge. Fantastic. I should be on the top, honestly. Hello, Brooklyn Bridge. This is the closest that I've been to the Statue of Liberty since I was a little kid. You know what time it is? I think we shared information, right? Okay. That boat cruise was awesome. It's dusk, it's beautiful. That's the end.